ActiveIQ Unified Manager 9.8 has added support for customized reporting using Microsoft Excel. Creating a custom report within AIQUM is simple, flexible, and powerful. Customers can create reports based on a specific use case or the unique interests of a particular audience. This customizing reporting feature is just 3 simple steps. Let's navigate to the Volumes page under the Inventory tab in ActiveIQ Unified Manager. Step 1 is to choose a new or existing view. In this example, we're going to use a custom view that's already been created. Now that we've selected the view, download the Excel report using the Reports button or the Scheduled Reports button, and choose the format Excel. The Excel workbook has been downloaded. Let's take a look and see what we have. The workbook will contain 2 sheets, the Info sheet and the Data sheet. The Data sheet contains the view that you've selected in the ActiveIQ Unified Manager user interface. Now we're going to introduce some customizations to the Excel sheet. We'll create a sample sheet and import the data from the Data sheet. We'll import the name of the volume, the available data percentage, and available data into different columns in the sample sheet. Create a formula to sum up all the available data. Now let's create another column to create the available data in gigabytes, and for this we'll need a custom formula. And lastly, we'll also create a chart based on available data percentage. Make sure to save the Excel spreadsheet with all the customization. Now we can upload that customized file back into ActiveIQ Unified Manager. To do this, we'll go to the Reports tab and click on Upload Excel. Choose the appropriate file and click Upload. Be sure to upload the Excel sheet into the same view you used when you downloaded. Now that you've uploaded the Excel sheet, you can now download the new report. This can be done manually or as a scheduled report. This new report will have all the customizations that were defined earlier. Now when we download and view the new report, we'll notice that all the customizations have been completed, and it now contains new updated values.